Welcome to the session. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invite someone into your class. I'm going to use one of the GRC courses so that I can invite someone to share my class with me. The first thing you need to do is head down to the users and groups, which is at the bottom in course management. Once you're there, you click on users, and then you'll find a list of the people who are in your class, all the different users and their roles. So there you have different roles and you have different users in the class. So supposing I want to invite this person into the class, so I've got his ID number there. I'll make sure that I have the ID number with me before I invite the person. So the first thing I'm going to do is select find users to enroll, and then in here I'll type in the ID of the person I want to invite. If you're going to invite me, select me as either an instructor or a teacher or something like this into your course. And when you browse, type the ID again, click go, and what happens is you'll see the name of the person. So you'll see me here, and then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, you want to click on submit again. So I'm already in this class. I don't want to invite myself. But for you invited me, the step is very easy. Okay, so you click on submit once you're ready. So if you're not sure, just go back to the video and you'll find I clicked on find users, then I put in the ID number. I also selected the role of the person. If you invited me, invite me as an instructor, and then you click and go. So this is how you invite someone into your class. Now, most of you have been asking me also about how to set up the attendance. What you want to do is go to your Blackboard Ultra, and when you're looking at the class that you have already assigned, which should come up once you click on Blackboard Ultra, if you edit the session, so you see this little circle, I clicked on it, and I'm going to edit the recurrent sessions. So this is one of our colleagues' class. I'm going to look at the classes that he's teaching. So what I'll do is I'll scroll to this gearbox here and click it, and you should see attendance somewhere here, and it's not showing me the attendance. There it is. It's the third option. So it's not the first one, event details. It's not the session settings, it's the attendance. So this is pretty much standard. 15 minutes is late, 30 minutes is absent. And what you want to do is make sure you put this at 80%. So if the person doesn't attend for more than 80% of the class, they'll be marked absent. And then you click on save. Okay. Now in here, it says the end period has been expired. So you have to make sure that it's the future class that you're going to edit. This is, I'm looking at something that's already that's about to take place maybe later on. So I'm not going to edit that. But when you create your session and you want to include the attendance, go to the attendance report, share the attendance. So this one has already been checked and clicked. Select 80% of the time and then save it. Here I can't do anything because this is a session that's in the past. Okay, so I'm going to discard the changes. And this is how you support your students in Blackboard in terms of the attendance. Now, that's one of the things you can do. The other thing is maybe you want to look at the attendance. So you go to the course tools and you go to attendance. And when you click on attendance, you want to activate it. So if this is not activated, it will show me that there are no students' names in the registrar. So I have to activate it. So in this case, for example, you see the attendance hasn't been done, so I'm going to add it into this particular course. So I'm going to click on add attendance, and once I've clicked that, it should take me to the list of the students and how I want to see it. Do I want to view it as a percentage or part of their grade and so on? So it says, oops, okay, because I clicked it twice. So most of the time I use letters. It's easier for the students to know if they're getting A's or B's or C's, and that's all you're going to do. So it takes time, give it time, and this is ready. So if I want to check one of my students and see whether he's attending the session, all I'm going to do is come down here and check it. If I want to look at the previous sessions, you see, these are previous sessions that have gone, and I can see who's been attending and who hasn't attended. I didn't have to do anything for this particular class. And that's really all you have to do to take your attendance and to check whether your students are coming to the class. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.